Disney, Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. My first words. A is for art. Daisy paints a piece of art. B is for box. Mickey gives Minnie a gift in a pretty box. C is for cat. This cat is black and white. D is for dog. Pluto is Mickey's pet dog. E is for ear. Goofy has a floppy ear. F is for fan. The fan blows cool air. G is for gym. The friends jump around at the gym. H is for hug. Mickey gives Pluto a hug. I is for ice. The penguin sits on ice to keep cool. J is for jig. Donald dances a joyful jig. K is for key. The key opens a treasure chest. L is for log. A frog hops on a log. M is for map. The map shows us which way to go. N is for nap. Pluto is happy to take a nap. O is for owl. The wise old owl gives a hoot. P is for pie. Minnie baked a blueberry pie. R is for run. Mickey and Pluto go for a fun run. S is for sun. The sun shines up in the sky. T is for tub. Mickey scrubs Pluto in the tub. U is for ump. The ump says that Mickey is safe. V is for vet. Daisy the vet looks at Pluto's paw. W is for web. The spider spins a silky web. Y is for yak. The yak has 2 big horns. Z is for zoo. Let's visit the animals at the zoo. Now look at all the words you know. Art, box, cat, dog, ear, fan, gym, hug, ice, jig, key, log, map, nap, owl, pie, run, sun, tub, ump, vet, web, yak, zoo. Great job! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram. See you next time.